How to set up your print-on-demand empire with Printful, aka the secret weapon for lazy geniuses like us. Let's dive in. First things first, let's set up shop like a boss. You'll need a Printful account, and don't worry, it's 100% free. Yep, my favorite F word. Sign up using your email, Google, Apple, or even Facebook, because hey, Zuckerberg might as well help with something, right? Next, pick your e-commerce platform. Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, WooCommerce, you name it. It's like picking your superhero sidekick. Choose wisely. Hop into your Printful dashboard and head to the stores section. Choose your e-commerce platform and follow those sweet integration steps. Using Shopify? Just grab the Printful app from the Shopify App Store. It's like swiping right on the perfect match, but instead of awkward dates, you get sales. Money with wings. You can use Printful's Design Maker to whip up something awesome. Or if you're feeling lazy, no judgment. Just upload pre-made designs. Either way, make it something people will actually want to buy. No pressure. Slap on your designs. Add snazzy product descriptions. Set the price, and boom. Your store is looking fancier than your aunt's holiday decorations. When someone buys from your store, Printful prints, packs, and ships it straight to their door. You just sip your coffee and watch the money roll in. Hot beverage money bag. Last but not least, keep an eye on those numbers. Use the analytics from Printful in your e-commerce platform to track sales and see what's working. Because let's be real, data is the real MVP of business success. And there you have it, your no-fuss guide to becoming a print-on-demand pro with Printful. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more OG tutorials, and drop a comment if you're ready to turn your designs into dollars. Lightbulb dollar banknote. Catch you in the next video, where we turn I think I can into I did. Peace out, entrepreneurs.